Introducing the EasyClimber elevator. Now you can stay in your home knowing that you can travel safely between floors. No longer are you required to take that dangerous journey on your stairs. Until now, an American-made shaftless home elevator was only a dream. Now, right in your home, with minimum construction, we can install a state-of-the-art shaftless elevator, the first battery-operated home elevator of its kind. An efficient cable drive system with a DC motor, an onboard computer with diagnostics and batteries, all fit compactly behind the elevator car. Safety features define our commitment to you. They include grab bars located on the back and side walls, a phone in case of an emergency, and wireless remotes provide convenient access to the elevator. Our control panel in the front of the car features constant touch up and down buttons, an emergency stop button with an alarm, a keyed on-off switch to limit access to the elevator, and a light switch controlling the LED light which illuminates the interior of the elevator. Our glide-away door system completes the elevator compartment. This uniquely designed door allows the door to glide to the interior of the elevator, eliminating the worry that an outswing door provides. Quiet and smooth operation will be your experience as you travel between floors. As the elevator comes into position, the glide-away door unlocks. With less than 4 pounds of pressure, the door glides open to the interior of the car. You are now ready to exit safely. Welcome to the EasyClimber elevator experience.